Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab and egg soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh crab meat, 4 large eggs, and 6 cups of quality chicken broth. Also, prepare a cornstarch slurry using 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with a little water. Don't forget to chop some fresh green onions and ginger for that perfect aromatic touch. Now let's start cooking. In a medium pot, gently sauté your chopped ginger for about 1 minute until fragrant, then add the crab meat and cook for another 2 minutes. Next, pour in the 6 cups of chicken broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Season the broth with a pinch of salt, a dash of white pepper, and a few drops of sesame oil to enhance the taste. It's time for the egg swirl. Lightly whisk your 4 eggs in a small bowl. While the soup is gently simmering, slowly drizzle the whisked eggs into the broth in a thin stream. Stir continuously in one direction to create beautiful, delicate egg ribbons. Finally, gradually stir in your cornstarch slurry. This will thicken the soup to a perfect, comforting consistency. To finish, ladle your delicious crab and egg soup into individual serving bowls. Garnish generously with fresh chopped green onions for a burst of color and extra flavor. Serve it immediately while it's warm and comforting. This soup is perfect for a cozy meal or as a starter. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, remember to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.